Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can undo the rename. Like by mistake, if you change the name of any folder, then how you can undo it. So for example, I will change the name of that folder just by right clicking on that, click on show more option, then rename it. For example, just like that, I type a random name, then I will click anywhere, like right click on anywhere on the desktop or anywhere else. Then you can see the option here, undo rename. You can just click on that and you can see that the name will come back. So guys, that's how you can undo the rename of any folder or any file. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.